Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today, as you probably saw in the title and or thumbnail, we're working core. So if you made it this far, you're looking for a core workout, might as well stick around. Anyway, my name is Paul, this is Fit After 50, and I take you through every workout on this channel. Thank you for joining me today. So, we got 3 exercises for the core today. We're gonna do a straight arm plank, the regular plank. Then we're gonna do an elevator scissor kick. You guys can just see as we go along what the exercises are. And a variation of the mountain climber. However, with each set, we are going to increase the repetitions, with the last set being close or at failure. That's the goal for today's workout. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. The first set is always going to be 10 repetitions. So it's plank to straight arm plank for 10 reps. We're just going to get down on the ground right now and let's get started. 10 repetitions, guys, and we're going to take a break of about 15 to 20 seconds. Just kind of follow along and go on my count. Do the best form that you can. As always, these are filmed in one take. I do the best that I can. So we start off with a plank, and then we go to a straight arm plank. Ready? So 3, 2, 1, 10 reps. Ready? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's take a little breather, about 20 seconds or so. We're going for set number 2, which is going to be 12 reps. I don't know where you guys are working out, but this floor is a little slippery. Even though it's kind of rubbery, it slips on my hand. Makes it a little more challenging. Gotta core up a little bit more, as I say. All right, you guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, 12 repetitions. Let's go. Stand right here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. That was set number 2. It's getting tough. All right, I'm gonna try to squeeze out at least 14. If you guys are new here and you're watching me struggle, well, I struggle doing these workouts because my workouts are your workouts and vice versa. All right, let's get going in a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down on the ground and let's go. Ready? 1, 2. Keep as tight of a plank as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, halfway, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Keep going, keep going. 15. I got one more. 16. Well, I had 16 in me. I hope you made it to 16. Or I hope you're still doing them. Whew. All right, let's flip on over. We're doing an elevated scissor kick. That's what I like to call this exercise. So basically, okay, let me catch my breath. It is a scissor kick, but our feet never touch the ground. What we're gonna do is single leg, both legs, single leg, both legs, single leg, both legs. Every time you lift both legs, that's 1 repetition. So once again, we're going for 10 on the first set. Don't forget to support your lower back. If you arch your lower back a lot, by placing your hands right underneath your butt, and let's go. Ready? We're gonna go single, double, single, double. That's 2. single, double, single. That's 4. Never touch the ground, single, double. 5, single, double. That's 6. Ready, 1, 7, 1. Come on, 8, 1, 9, 1, and 10. And we rest for about 20 seconds. All right, now we're gonna bump this up to 15 repetitions. And I know this might seem easy after the first set of exercises, and it is a little bit easier. But we'll go 15, or you guys wanna go 20? Let's go 20. Let's do 20. We'll do 10, 20, and 30. You guys ready to go? And in 3, 2, 1, legs out and go single. And that's 1. We're going for 20, single. And 2, 3, come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going. 8, 9, 10, keep going, halfway. 11, 12, 13, come on. 14, 15, 16, keep it up. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. Well, heck, we did 10, 20. Let's give 30 a shot. How about it, huh? Welcome to the basement, guys. All the workouts, and maybe not all of them, 98% of the workouts, right here, right on this floor, right here with me. All right, we're going for 30 reps. This one is not going to be too easy. You guys ready to go in 3, 2, 1, up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, keep it up. Those feet never hit the ground. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, keep it up. 8, 9, 1/3 of the way there. 11, 12, come on. 13, 14, keep it up. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, come on. 10 left. Ready, guys? Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right, that was exercise number 2. We're moving on to the final exercise. So we're gonna get it in the plank position. And we're gonna go for mountain climbers. We're gonna take one leg. You're gonna swing it to the outside. Then you're gonna go forward. And then you're gonna go across your body. During that movement, it never touches the ground. That's gonna be 1 rep. Switch to the other leg, same thing, 2 reps. We're shooting for 10, 12, and 14. So again, if it becomes easy, we'll go 10, 15, 20. We're starting off with 10 as our gauge. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, plank position and go out, leave it up here, in, leave it up here and across. Leave it up, down. Switch legs, out, in, and across. That's 2. Out, in, and across. That's 3. Out, in, across. 4. Out, in, across. 5. Out, in, across. 6. Out, in, cross. 7. Out, in, across. 8. Let's go with me. Out, in, across. 9. Last one. Out, in, and across. And that's 10. Woo! So what do you guys think? Should we just do 12? Let's do 12. We'll gauge it one more time and then see what we can do in the last set. Woo! Let's get going about 10 seconds. Same exercise. This is the final exercise of our core workout for today. All right, let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, plank, and let's go. 1, 2, across. That's 1. Out, in, across. 2, in, across. 3, out, in, across. 4, ready? Out, in, and across. That's 5. Out, in, and across. That's 6. Halfway. 1, 2, 3. That's 7. Ready? Out, in, across. 8. Out, in, across. 9. Out, in, across. 10. 2 more. Out, in, and let's go. 10. And last one. 1, 2, and across. And that was 12 repetitions. All right, I don't know how you guys feel about this one. I'm gonna keep it to 14. Whew. All right, 10 seconds. We get going, 14 reps. I'm pretty tired, core is tight, core is tired. I feel good. That's the entire point of this workout. You guys ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down and let's go. Out, in, across. 1, out, in, across. 2, out, in, across. 3, out, in, across. 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 8. We got 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 9. Out, in, across. 10. We got 4 more. 1, 2, and across. That's 11. Ready? Out, in, across. 12. We got 2 more. 1, 2, and 3. And let's do one final one. 1, 2, and across. And 3. I almost made my knee did drop down at the very end. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. While I catch my breath, welcome. My name is Paul. Welcome to Fit After 50. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for almost 4 years now. I think there are over 350 workouts on this channel and about 150, maybe 200 shorts. I'm not quite sure. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys during your next workout, and I hope you feel it in your core like I am.